In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files section to add an audio file. Now you need to look for it by tapping on Audio at the top, clicking on one of those sources or tapping on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those. After locating your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video file, click on Gallery section instead of Files. Scroll down, and if your video is recent, click on it right away. Then tap on one of those options to send it as Google's Photos link or low quality video. When you're ready, hit Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, tap on Folders instead. Look for it over here and tap on it. Then select one of those options again, but this time click on Just Once or Always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!